My father died when I was a child. It made me sensitive to the idea that time is precious. I'm very grateful that I have an opportunity to do things with my children that I didn't get to do with my father. My boys are awesome. They are incredible boys, and when I'm able to spend time with them, those moments stand out as some of the happiest things that I get to do. I'm really lucky, and there's some people that aren't so lucky. What those people need is someone willing to fight for them, to get them justice when they're injured, or to fight to keep them home if they're charged with a crime. I want to give those opportunities to my clients, and that's what I do for a living.
As I was on my motorcycle, I was just on a weekend cruise with a couple friends. Next thing you know, I'm on the hood of a car. I hit the ground pretty hard. I mean, we're still probably doing 50 miles per hour. Checked my hands and was like, all right, my hands are good. And I started working down my body, feeling the road rash, and got to my leg. The attorneys that I had fight for me then were fighting for themselves. But the first case that Don handled for me was back in August of 2015. Just within that first few minutes of talking to him, it's like, wow, this is already different. This guy knows what he's talking about. I explained my concerns. I've dealt with attorneys before, and it did not work out. It's like he wanted to make up for what they did. He wanted to make it better. I didn't have to fight with their insurance company about who's going to take care of my medical bills. I one call to Don and took care of all that for me. Don Roch, he's a rock star, man.
I'd had some trouble before, and I had a current custody battle going on. If I was convicted, this would put a very big hold on me getting custody of my son. That's all I could think about. When I decided to hire the Roch Law Firm, Don came and talked to me, and he instantly started going over everything and made me feel very confident. Don did everything for my case and 100,000% beyond anything I would ever expect a lawyer to do. The amount of hours he put into it was absolutely incredible. And I know that because we were always on the phone or texting each other all the time about it. It really was like a personal relationship, and that made me feel really good when we went into the courtroom.
My fight, it's personal. It comes from knowing the loss that my client feels. It's generational. Recovering the opportunities that were taken from my clients. That's my mission.